Let me show you how to change password in Instagram. You can easily change your old password into Instagram by following some simple step. If you want to like this video, share a video with friend. Just open your Instagram and here you can see click on three dot and just setting and privacy. Scroll down this page. Here you can see many setting. Just first setting is just click on account center and just click on it. After clicking, next step is here you can see find your profile name and let's see again password and security. Just click on password. Here you can see change password and select your username. Here you can see this is the process how to change your Instagram password. Let's see, first enter your old password, then enter your new password and then retype your new password. This is the process how to change your password in Instagram. And after putting your Instagram password and you can see change password. If you want to change password and just old and just new, if you want to watch all Instagram tips and tricks video related to Instagram, just check my channel. After putting this, just click on change. Here you can see successfully change your Instagram password. This is the simple process. If you like this video, share it with friend.